tend to start looking a little not like what you want to look like. So you start, going down on your confidence. So all this impacts a healthy mind. So if you're not going to eat properly, it's going to reflect on the outside, and that's what boosts your courage, boosts your personality. And when you want to be out there speaking to a whole lot of people, and you need to feel confident, you need to feel good about yourself, you'll not be able to, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Right.
Okay. Ma'am, we at Hey Foodie provide ghar ka khana, and my question is same. Ma'am, what do you prefer, ghar ka khana or khana?
Any day घर का खाना, because we know the ingredients. ठीक है, वो चाहे चाहे मैं नहीं बना रही हूँ, even if my mom is cooking, I know she's going to put best of ingredients, and she knows the amount, in which it's supposed to be there. Outside people, see, when outside making it for a mass, mass के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They are least bothered how much amount of oil they are going to add, whether they are going to reuse the oil, what kind of ingredients are they going to use to prepare food. They are not bothered. But when I know my mom is cooking for me, she's going to cook it with utmost love and care. She's going to put the best of things, which is going to be, again, healthy for each one of us. Correct?
Lot many different problems to the human body.
Right. I can't hear you. Sorry. Yes, your voice is breaking.
According to you,
I didn't get the question. It's totally cutting out for me. Hello?
Ma'am, actually, I think some network issue. So
yeah, I can hear the rest. Like, I can hear you very clearly. I could hear Bimal also very clearly, but I'm not able to get through Saurav, I suppose.
Yeah. 1 minute, ma'am. Sorry for the inconvenience
No
that
problem.
you're facing it.
No problem.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Bimal, you can go ahead with it.
I have one question.
Sure.
In like the situation is going on nowadays. So, which all food?
Hello. 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 I can't hear anyone right now. Is anyone talking?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, Bimal, I can see and hear you very clearly.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, the question is, which is the food is good for immunity booster? The question is, okay, which is the immunity booster?
For immunity booster. Okay. You can say it, less oily food. Anything less oily, less fatty and less oily. These are the best, because the more amount of cholesterol you develop in your body, it's all again related to the kind of oil, more oily or more rich in fats. Okay, if you are going to eat that, you're going to accumulate all of it in your body, and that's not going to be digestible easily, right? And a lot of fiber. If you're going to include a lot of leafy vegetables in your diet, that's the best that you can do. Yeah.
So, ma'am, what is your lifestyle? how you maintain yourself? I can see you are quite
I'm-
fit.
Yeah, I am very active. I love being busy. So you can say I keep myself very motivated and channelized by being busy. So during the weekdays, I'm packed with my work hours. In my work hours, I'm an IT professional. I work at Cognizant. So I'm a computer system validator. And there I have to put in around 9 hours of work. Okay. So now since I'm working from home again, there's a lot of household activities too that I support. Okay, I can't give my best there, but yeah, it's because my mom's around, so I try to help her out. Then I sing. I conduct jam sessions. There's an application for singers, so I'm there. I conduct jam sessions. I sing. So I love doing that. That's my passion. Even before that, what I do is I love coaching. I am a life coach. I'm an NLP practitioner. So I am coaching people and depressed people who come to me, people with anxiety and facing, issues. They find a ray of hope. When they come to me, I can see that, and I really love to assist people and help them out, to weight those issues in their life, because life is beautiful. It is meant to live, meant to be happy, and each and every one of us deserves to be happy. So that's what I believe in, and I want people to believe it too. So that's how I'm guiding them. Yeah, so that's my passion. So I really love doing that.
Yes, ma'am. So that's a lot of thing that you do. So, ma'am, you just said that music. So I can read in a profile that you're trained in Carnatic classical music. What kind of music
Yes.
is that? If you can elaborate.
It basically originates from South India. There are two types, right? Hindustani classical, which originates from the north of India, and the south of India, called Carnatic classical music. So it is a very vast aspect of music, and the kind of ragas and the kind of trainings that you go through is quite intensive. And extent. Life, my music teacher is my grandmother. I learned it from her.
That's nice, ma'am. So now I can see Saurav is with us. Saurav, am
Okay.
I audible?
I'm there. Yes, Vimal, thank you. And you're available.
No problem. I can hear you perfectly
one question.
fine now.
Okay. Ma'am, I got a question from a technical guy from our team. Ma'am, he's asking ki nowadays we are from IT field and ma'am is from the same, and she has gained experience. And in this situation, they are working from home. So there's a situation for all the IT guys that is a term called techno stress. So how to deal with it?
Techno stress. Okay. So be happy doing your extracurricular activities. I understand it. Even I have to work sometimes post 10 p.m., 11 p.m., and it becomes very, very difficult for all of us to, manage this kind of and even give time at home. So I would suggest to indulge in extracurricular activities. You need stress busters. So any kind of hobbies, go for walks in the evening, which really works. Meditate. Uh, have some time off with family. Even talking 15-20 minutes really is rejuvenating. If you love singing, do that. If you can squeeze in a little time for yourself, 20-25 minutes, to dance. If you love doing that, and or workout, all these are stress busters. So this really helps you to move on and keep yourself active and very, very happy about the things which are going around you. So try doing these things. Each of us needs to do that.
Now I can see that Amit is having few questions. So Amit,
Sure.
would you like to ask?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
एक्चुअली मैम जैसे सौरभ ने कहा कि आप मैम एक आईटी प्रोफेशन है तो मैम आपको एक ही प्लेस में बहुत समय तक के लिए काम करना पड़ता है, जिससे क्या होता है मैम, आपका जो जो बॉडी और जो माइंड रहता है वो फेड अवे हो जाता है। तो मैम आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे ऐसा कुछ, जिससे कि हम लोग अपने आप को रिफ्रेश कर सके ऐसा सिचुएशन में?
बिल्कुल, आपको आई कैन हेल्प यू कि आपको उठना चाहिए। अगर नीचे नीचे नहीं जा पा रहे हैं आप, ट्राई टू वॉक घर के अंदर ही, लिसन टू म्यूजिक, कान में ईयरफोन्स लगाइए, 15-20 मिनट ब्रिस्क वॉक कीजिए विद इन द होम इटसेल्फ एंड ट्राई नॉट टू टॉक विद एनीबॉडी। तभी बहुत, बिकॉज क्या होता है, एक ही जगह पे बैठे बैठे हम आंखों को हमारे इतना स्ट्रेस कर देते हैं, और जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम प्रोसेस करते हैं ये सब हमारे ब्रेन पे भी बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है। सो यू रियली नीड टू रिलैक्स, सो वॉक एंड ट्राई टू डू दी आई एक्सरसाइजेस विच इज वेरी हेल्पफुल। आपने कभी ट्राई किया है? आई आंखों के एक्सरसाइजेस हैं वेयर यू ट्राई टू रोटेट, यू नो, अप एंड डाउन, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, एंड जस्ट लेट इट गो राउंड एंड क्लोज योर आईज एंड डू दैट फॉर जस्ट 5 मिनट्स भी करेंगे, ये आपको बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग लगेगा। एंड प्लीज वॉक, यू हैव टू मूव। कुछ कुछ देर के लिए उठ के कुछ हैंड मूवमेंट्स कर लीजिए, स्ट्रेचेस कर लीजिए, विच विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल।
मैम माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि मैम आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्या लगता है कि योगा, जो रेगुलर योगा और एक्सरसाइज, क्या हमारे जो हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल को मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करता है? मैम आपका ओपिनियन इसमें?
Absolutely, it does. But again, yoga बहुत slow हो जाता है। अभी क्या है, people who like fast life, हाँ, वो ज़्यादा योगा में believe नहीं करते। Like me, I will not say that I believe in yoga, but I know it works wonders because of the kind of postures जहाँ है, और उसमें जिस तरह की flexibility ला सकते हैं आप अपने body में, and the kind of breath intake and out, inhaling and exhaling karte karte, so you're trying to use that breath for the best of all the activities and metabolism in your life, in your, ये है। और दूसरा एस्पेक्ट है, इफ यू आर अ फास्ट मूवर, you would love to do workouts like, you know, jumping exercises, walking, listening to music, and going for Zumba. I'm that kind of a person. So it varies from people to people. सबको खुद की activities मतलब segregate कर लेनी चाहिए. The whatever makes you happy. If yoga is not for you, don't do it. I'll not say that, you know, you should do it just because it is for flexibility. There are various other exercises and activities that you can bring about, that you can do for bringing about flexibility.
थैंक यू मैम।
Yeah.
माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट मैम कि हमारे सोसाइटी में मैम फिजिकल हेल्थ को ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है, बट इन द सेम नोट क्या होता है, हम लोग मेंटल हेल्थ को उतना ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं। तो मैम आपका ओपिनियन क्या है इसके रिगार्डिंग?
Agreed. ये आपने बहुत अच्छी पॉइंट रेस की है। आई टोटली अग्री, फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड मेंटल हेल्थ गो हैंड इन हैंड। ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मैं फिजिकली एकदम फिट हूँ फिर भी मेंटली मुझे कुछ परेशानी ऑफ कोर्स हो ही सकती है। सो आई वुड से कि मेंटल हेल्थ बनाए रखने के लिए कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अभी हमने हाल ही में देखा, डिप्रेशन की वजह से किसी वेल रिनाउंड एक्टर की लाइफ गई, विच वॉज वेरी सैड एंड डिसहार्टनिंग, ओनली बिकॉज वो बात नहीं कर पाए। सो हमारे में ये जो हिचकिचाहट है हर एक इंसान के मन में कि मैं अपने आप ही सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ, ये कुछ हद तक आपकी ईगो की वजह से होता है, कुछ हद तक इस डर से होता है कि लोग आपको जज करेंगे या लोग आपको समझ नहीं पाएंगे। बट दैट इज नॉट द केस। आप एक अजम्पशन के ऊपर आपकी राय बना ली, बट ये क्यों करेंगे? आप ट्राई तो कर सकते हैं बात करने की, ट्राई टू टॉक इट आउट। आपके जो करीबी है, आपकी फैमिली है, कोई फ्रेंड होगा, कॉन्फिडेंटे होगा, उनसे बात करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कम्युनिकेशन इज द की टू मोस्ट ऑफ आवर प्रॉब्लम्स। दिस इज, यू शुड नो दिस। और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हमारी लाइफ से बढ़कर नहीं है। सो सुसाइडल थॉट्स या अगर भी हो, वो तभी के तभी उस चीज को, उस इश्यू को आपको अटैक करना ही चाहिए। सो मेंटल हेल्थ इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। मेंटल हेल्थ रहा तो बाकी सब ठीक है। आपका फिजिकली भी आप फिट, you'll feel like doing things in life. So it's interconnected.
थैंक यू मैम आपके ओपिनियन के लिए। मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है कि आर यू अ फूडी?
I am not that big a foodie, but I love to experiment. I whatever tastes good, I will eat it. ऐसा है मेरा।
ओके, तो
Yes.
मैम आपको क्या खाना बनाना भी पसंद है?
खाना बनाना, हाँ, जब एकदम मूड में होती हूँ तो आई डू कुक एंड आई वोंट से आई एम बहुत ज्यादा किचन में जाके एकदम culinary skills एंड एक्सपर्टीज है, ऐसा नहीं। बट जब बनाती हूँ तो यस, आई पुट इन माय सोल टू मेक इट द बेस्ट डिश, ऐसा है।
मैम ऐसा कोई डिश जो आपको बनाने में सबसे मतलब ज्यादा पसंद है, ऐसा कोई डिश?
ऑफ कोर्स मैं बंगाली हूँ तो आई लव फिश, so I'm called the cat of my house also. So I do love cooking fish.
My next question is that मैम ऐसा कोई चाइल्डहुड फूड जो मैम आप चाइल्डहुड में खाते थे बट अभी वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है, ऐसा कुछ?
I do think so, अभी नहीं मिल पा रहा है। हाँ, एक फूड वो चीक होता था ना, आजकल तो चीक मिलता नहीं। आई डोंट नो कितनों को पता भी है चीक क्या होता है। इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द जो प्रेग्नेंट काउ होती है, सो आफ्टर द बर्थ जो फर्स्ट मिल्क दे गिव, आउट ऑफ दैट जो बनता है, इट्स क्रिएटेड एंड आई मीन वो दूध वाले हमको पहले मिल्क मैन यूज्ड टू कम एंड गिव इट टू अस, तो अभी वो नहीं मिल पाता था, तो उसको थोड़ा मिस करती हूँ कभी कभार।
Thank you, ma'am. So I'm done with my question, Saurav. So over to you. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, that was really good to hear that so many food items you remember from your childhood. Ma'am, if you are asked to rate yourself on the scale of 10, so where would you like to rate what rating give in context to healthy lifestyle?
In context to healthy lifestyle, no, I'll say I am 7.5. Say make it 8. Make it 8. Make it 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Why I say so? Because हर इंसान में improvement की scope है, ठीक है? Everyone has to keep improving themselves. So I feel mentally I'm pretty fit. Physically I need to work out, and rest all will fall in place. That I know. तो जो है वो चीज जो ना जज्बा होनी चाहिए हर एक में, तो गुस्टो होना चाहिए। So ये चीजें आ जाती है, so then life is all good and set to go.
Correct, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one question for you. As you are in Pune, so your favorite food or the cuisine of Pune, Maharashtrian food that you love that?
Pav bhaji. Pav bhaji is very tasty.
Okay, in Pune
but
also.
again, I replace the pav with roti. Of course, pav bhaji है, बड़ा पाव तो है ही. But आजकल क्या होता है, बड़ा को खाते हैं, पाव नहीं खाते. Because I don't like eating the buns. मैदे का होता है, तो I try to avoid.
Actually, I was asking about the typical Pune dish that you like.
Typical is misal pav. Misal pav is really
Pav, yeah.
tasty. Yes, it's very tasty. I agree. But again, हाँ, और वो मिसल पाव के टाइम ऐसा हो जाता है कि you cannot avoid the पाव, so that is a very rare indulgence. तो खा लेती हूँ. But it's really tasty. You must try. Everyone should try. If you come to Pune, you must try misal pav.
For sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
मैम, आई विल गिव यू अ फ्रेज, एक लोकोक्ति मैं आपको दूंगा, उसे आप अपने तरीके से उसका डेफिनेशन आप दीजिएगा, ठीक है
जी?
तो वो इस तरीके से है, जैसा खाओगे अन्न वैसा होगा मन, जैसी पियोगे पानी वैसी होगी वाणी।
बिल्कुल। So right. So मैंने जैसे बोला कि इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हम जैसे बोल रहे हैं ना, जैसे बोगे वैसे पाओगे। So it's absolutely correct. So हम वो रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं जो हम अंदर से हैं, जो आप इनटेक करोगे वही आप बाहर में रिफ्लेक्ट करोगे. If you have, I'll give you an example. अभी the food and all I told you. If you're going to eat healthy, you're going to look healthy. आपके फेस में, आपकी पर्सनालिटी में, आपके बॉडी एंड मेंटल हेल्थ में वो सब रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. If you're going to have immense amount of love, if you have love, you will give love. If to make yourself full of it, if you have care, you can share that care. हम लोग तब करते हैं जब हमें वो चीज़ लैकिंग होती है, जब हम खुश नहीं होते खुद से, तब हमें एक वो उदासी आ जाती है. We start feeling low about ourselves. We lose confidence. We think everything is wrong in this world. So we start expecting when we have lack of it. We don't have it. But why do that? Keep expectations from yourself. Love yourself. When you start doing that, you will that the person in front of you loves you for who you are because you have it in you. You have that spark. You have to portray yourself in front of people the way you are. तो अंदर हमें जो है, आप जो लोगे अंदर वो ही ना बाहर आप रिफ्लेक्ट करोगे. That is how the saying
Exactly.
goes, right?
Exactly. आपके
ये
आपने
चीज
जो
है.
लास्ट में कहा ना,
हाँ.
आपने जो लास्ट में कहा ना मैम, उसमें मुझे ना एक शायद ये कबीर जी ने लिखा है कि ज्योतिल माही तेल है जो चकमक में आग, तेरा साईं तुझ में है, जान सके तो जान.
बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही. So,
बिल्कुल.
आप
तो
में
इस
जितना है वो फैलाइए. अगर आप में हैप्पीनेस है, वो हैप्पीनेस आप स्प्रेड करो. एक बहुत अच्छी बात ये भी बोलते हैं कि बी if you're a solution, people are attracted towards you. If you're a problem, people will be repelled from you. आपके पास कोई आएगा नहीं. अगर आप हमेशा रोते रहोगे, हमेशा अपने वरीज को लेके सामने डिस्प्ले करोगे, तो कौन आएगा आपके पास? आपके लिए सब बोलेंगे यार इनके पास जाओगे तो सिर्फ रोना धोना ही सुनने मिलेगा. लेकिन अगर आप एक पॉजिटिव पर्सन हो, अपने हमेशा वो जज्बा है, हमेशा आप चीजों को अच्छे पर्सपेक्टिव से लेते हो और दिखाते हो, तो लोगों को आपके पास आने का मन करेगा, है ना? तो ये चीज है.
Exactly. So I think we have few time. So I would like to open the forum for our audience. So if anyone wants to ask.
Sure, sure.
Ma'am,
Anand, you can ask your
kindly
question.
tell us about. Yeah, Saurabh. Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I was asking. Kindly tell us about your school.
My school. Okay. Actually, I this is not a school. What my venture is Winnie Winning Hearts, right? I've just
Okay.
established this venture. My place where I have started coaching I've started as a life coach and an NLP practitioner. So here what happens is I'm helping the depressed and people with anxiety to cope with life. And people also come to me who have suicidal thoughts. And I am very happy to have helped them, and they have overcome their fears and issues in life, and they've moved on, and they're very happy now in life. So this is what I do.
Okay. That's great, ma'am. That's great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ma'am, we have got some question from from Shadan.
Sure.
So she's asking, ma'am, we came to know that you are an entrepreneur. So can I know what courage does it really take to become an entrepreneur? What were the thoughts that you had when you started your venture?
Right. That's a very good question, and I would love to answer this. So this thing that I've been doing as a life coach, I've been doing this unofficially since quite some time, since a few years. So when I started seeing people investing their faith in me, and they started feeling very positive and happy after talking with me, I've also got compliments like, you have this positive. So when we talk with you and we come to you with problems, we feel that we'll get an idea, we'll get a solution for it. So I started feeling very good. So every person starts feeling good about themselves once you are appreciated, right? So this is what happened. And then on 8th of March, one of my very close friends, I already always felt, apart from this IT and everything that we're doing for ourselves, fine. But what is it that we would love to give back to the society? What we should have some purpose in life. We have to give back to the society, do things for them. So I got a wonderful opportunity to come as a speaker, to represent myself as a speaker at the International Women's Day forgiveness and letting go. That was the session. For that session, I was invited. And when I took that session and I kept my story in front of them, and they were all so happy about everything, and they felt somewhere they felt connected. So this is what you're supposed to do. I mean, if you can feel connected, you can have a bond, between the audience and yourself, and you know that what you say is going to impact. What you say is going to help people overcome their troubles in life. Then you know that it is the right time, and you're meant to do this in life. This is what you're meant and made for. So that with that thought, I there was no looking back. I thought that this is it. I need to just take up the certifications. वो सब certifications जितना भी लेंगे, but the thing has to be inside us. वो कस्टमाइज हमको खुद को करना पड़ता है कि मैं अगर सीख के भी मुझे कैसे इंटरप्रेट करना है, इस चीज को लोग कैसे पहुंचाना है, इम्पार्ट कैसे करना है। तो जब तक खुद में वो कंपैशन नहीं है, जब तक खुद में वो फेथ और बिलीफ नहीं है कि नहीं मैं करूंगी और मुझ में ये चीज है और मुझे करना है, लोगों के लिए करना है, लोगों के लिए सोचना है, तब तक यू कैन नॉट. सो that was my deciding factor. नहीं, this is what I want to do and I will go ahead with it.
It's really appreciable, ma'am.
So lockdown has been beneficial. Thank you very much. Thank you for saying that.
Okay,
So lockdown has been very beneficial.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Ma'am, in just 40 seconds the meeting will get over, so I would request you to rejoin it. And everyone, please rejoin it again.
Okay. So I have to leave and rejoin, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can continue, but when it would get end, you have to rejoin.
For a reason and happen for good, right? So ऐसे अगर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे लाइफ में, तो everything is going to be super happy and fantastic for each one of us.
Exactly. सही बात है मैम. आपने लॉकडाउन में सिंगिंग रीस्टार्ट किया, मैंने अपना poems लिखना रीस्टार्ट कर दिया था. I was getting very much time to think about on many topics.
Wow.
So that was it.
That's wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, if you get a chance to become a child once again and go back to your childhood, what will be the one thing? वही चीज क्या होगी जो आप फिर से करना चाहेंगे?
I'll say I don't want to go back those days. I don't want. Why I'm saying, because right now how I am, we all have a child within us. Express your childhood. I'll say express करो ये. मैं कैसी हूँ? I will अगर आपने कोई idea लाया, I will accept it with open arms. I will accept it with an open mind. मैं child like रहूँगी. जो अभी नई चीज हम कैसे सीख सकते हैं? How will you learn new things in life unless and until you are childlike? Be open. Be open. And जितना आप बाहर की दुनिया को बच्चे जैसे देखोगे ना, तब भी आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो. Because आप में वो बचपना है, लेकिन वो बचपना को एक्सप्रेस करो, वो बाहर लाओ, तो फिर आपको सीखने का भी मौका मिलेगा. We are learners for life. That's how.
Oh, that's very good to hear. Ma'am, we got a question. Did you ever had stage fright, or you were the confident performing in front of audience always?
My mother has been a teacher all through. So बचपन से my mom used to strive to take out this stage fright from me. तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारे competitions में stage पे चढ़ा दिया. She said you have to perform poetry, recitation, dance, singing, जो भी है. And stage fright तब से बचपन से करती आ रही हूँ. I've been performing on such things, on such events. So कहीं ना कहीं वो stage fright गया है. But I'll say हाँ, initial nervousness तो सब में होती है. But then ये करते करते to overcome that, again it's within us. If हमने ठान लिया कि नहीं मुझे करना है, I have to do it, I want to show myself and portray my skills to people, then somewhere that goes away. And I agree, public speaking is also a very big fright. stage fear that you have. But somehow, when I told you that that was my first International Women's Day, that session, I thought I may start off and then I'll feel anxious and I may fumble. All these thoughts I had, but somehow when I just spoke my first word, first sentence, the fear just vanished because I connected with the audience. And I felt that, this is me, this is who I am, and I want to do this. That's why the fear just instantly vanished. Yeah.
Ma'am, we got one question from Dheeraj. Ma'am,
Right.
what is that in which you are specialized as a life coach? Because there are a lot of specializations for life coach.
There are a lot of, I'm sorry, I didn't get the last part.
What is that in which you are specialized as a life coach? Because there are a lot of specialization for a life coach too.
Right. So I have taken up this NLP, that is neuro-linguistic programming. What neuro-linguistic programming, it teaches you about how to work on yourself. How are you going to process your brain, your mental health, your activities, your physical health, and coordination. What you think, you express it in words. So what you think ultimately comes out as feelings, and that's what's in your attitude and the way you talk. So that is what NLP teaches you. And there is another life coach program certification also, which needs to be done. Yeah, and there are various other certifications, but to start with, it's like the more and more you get get involved in it, you go for the ecology. There's a psychology certification. There's a certification on CBT, which talks about cognitive behavioral therapy. So you can keep on adding it. But to start with, I started with NLP and life coach certifications. Yeah.
Emotional intelligence. Any views on it, ma'am?
Emotional intelligence. Yes, of course. So we have two things in our mind, in our head. You can say it's the mind and the intellect. Okay. So mind is somewhere where your feelings, your thoughts, your emotion takes over, and intellect is another aspect of your mind, or your brain, you can say, that talks about the practicalities of life. So when I need to be a balanced, or you need to be a balanced person, you need to have this mind and the intellect in sync. So I agree. All of us, we are not robots, right? हमें emotions हैं. That's why we are humans. That's what makes us humans in the first place. So emotions display करना चाहिए.
Exactly.
Everyone should express their feelings, should express their emotions. So that's the reason I said you need to communicate. हमारे सामने तो जो बैठा है वो कोई अंतर्यामी तो है नहीं जो बोल पाएगा कि आपके अंदर क्या चल रहा है, या अगर आपको कुछ खराब लगा हो उनके बोलने तो बोलो, say it. So that's where your emotions come into play. But again, emotions have to be balanced out also. So it's a very beautiful mixture of both. Emotions display होना चाहिए. Emotion intelligence को तब बोलते हैं EQ or emotional quotient or intelligence. You say it that way when it is in proper ratio. ठीक मात्रा में बैलेंस करके रखें तो सही है. ज्यादा हो जाए, surfeit of anything is bad. Excess, कुछ भी चीज का ज्यादा is not good, right? So emotional
Exactly.
intelligence is required, of course.
I think Vimal wants to ask something.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Once again, hello. Ma'am, I just want to ask, are you in any social media platform? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter?
Yes, I'm there. Yes, I'm there on Quora, Facebook, Instagram, all. I'll share my details if you want.
Yes, ma'am, sure. So, ma'am, I want to ask a question that how you feel while you're posting any kind of selfies, and what is your opinion about like how today's generation getting affected by the social media?
Right. That's a very valid point. What about selfies? You want to know? You're connecting the two, or these are two separate questions?
Yes, ma'am. Pardon.
I said, are you connecting the two, or these are two separate questions? What about selfies and what?
Ma'am, you can separately answer the both question, or you can connect both of them, because we like click 100 of selfies and we post only one, which one we think that more attractive and something. So these are the thing that we are not confident about ourselves. We are somewhere we insecure that how we gonna look, how people gonna react.
Yes, because we develop up an image of ourselves based on how people perceive us, right? हम हमेशा ये सोचते हैं, we feel that we should always look good, we should always look smart, and that's how people are going to accept us. But people are going to accept you for who you are and accept your flaws as well. If they're going to accept you, they're going to accept you as a whole. So of course, it's absolutely fine that you click selfies and you can click n number of selfies, and the one that you feel is the best, you will post that. There's nothing wrong in it. But today's generation is too much goes overboard with it. Their life has the social media has become their life. So they love the virtual world, and they seek acceptance and appreciation from people who do not even hold any value in their life. That is the problem. So we need to be connected in the real life, real world. That is what is the problem. So with today's generation, the more we are connected with our soul, with our the people who really matter to us, that's what makes life beautiful, and not the virtual world. Are you understanding?
Thank you, ma'am, for your answer. And ma'am, one more question. What you prefer the most? घर का खाना और बाहर का खाना?
घर का खाना, any day. घर का खाना. बाहर का खाना कभी कभार अच्छा लगता है, मतलब जैसे बोलते हैं ना, दाल चावल खाते खाते बोर हो जाते हो तो बिरयानी तो चाहिए होती है. So, but then any day, most of it, of course, घर का खाना I would love to have, because you can keep experimenting. You don't need to depend on people, and you can whenever you think you want to make something, it's just there, right in front of you. You just need to have those resources, get it into the oven, and done. We would be done with it. And again, it's healthy.
मैम, मीठे में आप क्या प्रेफर करती हैं?
मीठे में मिठाइयाँ. मिठाइयाँ, खीर बहुत पसंद है. खीर बहुत पसंद है. और बंगाली मिठाइयाँ तो होती है. तो there's a particular मिठाई which is called खीर कदम. So that is what I love. Yeah.
Up to you now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your such a lovely answers.
You're most welcome. You're most welcome. I really enjoyed the session.
Ma'am, I have got a rapid question round for you.
Okay. Wow. Okay. I hope I can excel. Red.
Okay. Your favorite food?
Rice. Fish.
Pardon?
Fish. Fish is my favorite food.
Fish. Okay. Ma'am, your favorite place to visit?
I can't hear you.
Your favorite place where you want to visit?
Favorite place? Greece.
Okay. Your favorite movie?
Favorite?
Favorite movie?
Jab We Met. And there are two. May I choose two? There's 50 First Dates and Jab We Met. Jab We Met more because, everyone learn this line up. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. And use it for yourself.
And second?
Second is 50 First Dates.
50 First Dates. Okay.
Yeah.
Your favorite actor?
Pierce Brosnan. As such, it depends on the roles that they play. But yeah, Pierce Brosnan.
Favorite actress?
Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra. Okay. My favorite vehicle in terms of two-wheeler?
Activa.
Activa. Okay.
Yeah,
I thought you
own
were
one
giving the
someday.
answer Royal Enfield.
अब जो मैं चला पाऊंगी मैं वही ना बोलूंगी.
Okay. Ma'am, meanwhile, we got a question from our audience. That is, ma'am, it doesn't seem you like you were a notorious child, but do you have any memory of your childhood where you were punished by your mom?
That's true. I was never a notorious kid. My brother has been, but I was never a notorious kid. So I really have no memories of being beaten. Probably once when I had said I got really late working on a project in the afternoon at my father's office, and I was supposed to come back home, but somehow I didn't because I was too involved in the project, and my father was really mad at me. So he came to pick me up, and he kept scolding me on the way back. So aate saath saath, then I got really irritated and I just said, what nonsense is this? So as a child, I think he took it the wrong way. I was just saying the action was nonsense and I didn't call him nonsense. So he really got mad at me and he was about to beat me and my mother protected me. That's the only memory I have.
Ma'am, okay. That's good. Ma'am, in school days, we all have many memories. You might, if I'm not wrong, you must be all, आपको जरूर होगा कोई मेमोरी स्कूल डेज में. मैम, वो एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट जहाँ पे गलती आपकी नहीं थी, आपके दोस्तों की थी और आप फंसे. कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट अगर आपको याद हो तो?
स्कूल में तो कभी बंक भी नहीं किया. एंड ऐसी सिचुएशंस होती थी कभी कभी कि आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी इन माय ओन वर्ल्ड, एंड फ्रेंड्स होते थे, उनके कुछ अलग टॉपिक्स ऑफ डिस्कशन होती थी, एंड